In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite guests to Microsoft Teams with this easy guide. First, open up your preferred web browser and visit your favorite search engine. Simply type in Microsoft Teams in the search bar and hit enter. You should see the official Microsoft Teams website as one of the top results. Click on that link to navigate directly to the Teams platform. This will bring up the Microsoft Teams homepage where you should notice a sign in button, typically located in the upper right-hand corner. Clicking on this will redirect you to the login page. Next, you'll need to log into your Microsoft account. If you already have an account, go ahead and enter your email address and password. If you don't have an account, make sure to create one by following the prompts on the page. Once you've logged in successfully, you'll be taken to the main dashboard of Microsoft Teams. Here, you should see several options across the top, one of which is labeled Communities. Clicking on this option will take you to your Teams community page. The Communities section is essentially a hub where you can manage your existing teams or create new ones, making it the perfect place to start when inviting guests. On your Communities page, you'll notice a lot of options, but what you want to look for is a button that says Invite Members. Click on this button when you find it. This action will prompt a new window or menu where you can input the necessary details to invite your guests. With the invite menu open, you'll need to type in the email addresses of the individuals you want to invite. Be sure to enter the correct email to avoid sending invites to the wrong people. After inputting the email addresses, you'll see an option to confirm this information. Click the email button to move forward. This action finalizes the addition of the email addresses to your invitation list. Now, the last step in this process is to actually send out the invitations. Once you've ensured that all the email addresses are correct and ready, simply click on the Invite button. You'll typically find this button near the bottom or center of the invitation window. Clicking it will instantly send out invitations to all the entered emails, and your potential guest will receive notification to join your community in Microsoft Teams. And there you have it, an easy and straightforward method for inviting guests to join your Microsoft Teams community. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide both helpful and informative. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below.